of the Kentucky Emergency Management Agency, Louisville, Kentucky. At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Incident summary. Suspect shot and killed mother of shared child and fled with the child in a burgundy Ford F-150 with extensive front end damage. Victims, Hazen Gordon. A black male aged 2 years. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 3 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds. Suspects, Christopher Gordon. A black male aged 32 years old.